recipes from Mrs. Boots. This is my favorite homemade hummus recipe. I love to make hummus from scratch. Chickpeas are a great source of protein and fiber. I usually buy chickpeas in bulk, so I don't have to worry about buying refills. I put them in some water and I soak them overnight until they become soft and ready to cook. When chickpeas are made from scratch from dried beans as opposed to bought from the store in a can, they have a much richer flavor and you can actually taste the difference. After soaking overnight, chickpeas will double in size. We're going to drain them. And rinse them several times. Once they're rinsed fully, I'm going to put them in the pressure cooker. And I will cook them in the pressure cooker on the bean settings. Once chickpeas are cooked, you can transfer them into a container and you can use them for hummus or for other delicious dishes. You can either use lemon juice or fresh lemons for the hummus. Make sure that you strain the seeds out. And we're ready to make the hummus. And now it's time to put the ingredients in the blender. Chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, my favorite spice, Garam Masala, to give a hummus a little zing, but you can really put anything to the hummus to flavor it, and some salt. Now blend it. And some kombucha or water to make the hummus a little bit more smooth, and keep blending. Now delicious, smooth, creamy hummus is ready to serve. Top it with your favorite topping and you're ready to serve homemade, delicious, smooth, creamy hummus.